Hello guys, so right now kakatapos lang ng vaccination ko, so thank you Justin Trudeau, thank you Canada for this is the birth month, this is my birthday. So how are you? So welcome back to my channel. So this is my vaccination day. So far hindi nila ako nilagyan ng hindi na din ako naghingi. I'm not demanding kasi I'm a person who doesn't demand kasi I know how much busy they are. So some people, so they're so nice. My nurse is Jessica and Lori, and I did ask few questions, but tingnan mo guys, lumampas sa t-shirt ko. Yeah, that's okay. Bahala na lang, right? What can we do? Because I don't want to ask cotton or yung mag-ask ako ng Band-Aid. I don't want to do that. Guys, napakainit today. Alam mo, that's why itong sasakyan ko, meron siyang ganyan. But I don't use it. But people, they really use it because they love sun during summer. So you could really understand why people love summer because alam mo naman, winter kami dito. Right? But I really like my mask. Nagkuha ko ng picture doon sa FB ko. So I have my coffee. Thank you Sabrina. Sayap ni Sabrina eh. So kahit off kami, I make sure yung mga tauhan mayroon sila talagang salary. So I let them come Monday, Wednesday, and Friday just to make vlogs for you guys. At the same time, yan, para mayroon din silang extra income. I have too much work to do, but right now I'm heading to Palabok, right, kay Ate Lydia because she requested na so here guys, mag-wear talaga ng seat belt. Yan. Mag-wear talaga ng seat belt. She requested na maglakad-lakad daw kami sa tinatawag nating, I don't know, but I don't want to. I'm afraid of sun. Sorry ha, maarte ba? Ever since, talaga mahilig sa sun. Sayang. Sayang guys, flex ko sana, oh. Ayun, oh. Makikita ko sana sa inyo kung gaano. Flex ko sana kung gaano kagwapo. Bakit kaya dito sa Canada, yung mga pulis nila is mega gwapo at saka magaganda. No, bakit kaya ganun? Talagang matataas, no? Tapos maganda yung katawan, ganun talaga yung mga pulis. Nakamalaya ito yung pulis na binivideohan siya. Oh my gosh, meron pa naman pulis. Abusado pa naman ako mag-drive. Guys, ako talaga hindi masyadong drive ng totoong drive. Kasi dito sa Canada, kahit na dito, tanongin mo dito sa Canada, okay, dito sa Canada, kahit natatanungin mo, yan, ginanon ko. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Dito talaga sa Canada, kahit na nga na dito, na ginamitan pa rin ng backer, yung Indian kong client. Kasi nga yung pasawa. Pasawa, si Doktora, comes to driving. So, may next thing na tanong ngayon, saan tayo lalabas? Ay, doon. Ay, nakaw. Charot lang. Kaya, yan, kaya we have shuttle driver, si Giovanni, si Raytan, yan nagdadrive sa akin. Pero sa Pilipinas, girl, okay lang ako. Pero sa Pilipinas, okay lang po ako sa driving. Kasi yung pang-drive ko sa Pilipinas, since my dad is my position nga, so okay lang talaga ako doon sa pag-drive. Kaya pag matinong driving na, yan, naghihirapan. But in fairness, never pa ako talagang nahuli dito. Saka never pa ako kasi, yan, because I'll just wait, right? Kasi ba matingnan yung traffic. Yan, pag super clear na, doon ako nag-drive. Check. Diba? Pag super clear na. I'd rather be late here in Canada than madisgrasya. Kasi, isa lang buhay. Tapos, yung 80 ang speed ng mga tao, 60 to 80. So, may mabubuhay sa 60 to 80, no? Bahala kayo dyan. I'd rather be late. Kaya dito talaga bawal malate, so people are leaving early. So the name of my car is Phoenix.